I'm 42.
I'm 32.
Hey, have you ever eaten Angel's cookie?
Yes, I ate it at Princess Afternoon Tea Restaurant. Why don't you go and eat?
Well, we will make it ourselves.
Also, I don't think that I can make cookie by myself.
Today I will make your dream come true.
How can we make it?
First, we need milk 50 grams, flour 150 grams, sugar, egg, and butter 25 grams.
Then pass the butter, mix butter and milk together. Mix the egg and put it into flour, sugar, butter and milk.
Mix them again and again until they get together.
Then bake it.
Yes, put it into a model which you want and put it into the oven. Wait for 25 minutes. That sounds good.
I want to eat.
Let's try.